Warning, this Cajun honey butter recipe is sweet, spicy, and buttery, and highly addictive. Let's get it. To our bowl, we have shrimp. Actually, this is about 1 pound of shrimp. Colossal shrimp, but not so colossal, if that makes sense. But it makes the perfect appetizer shrimp, in my opinion. We're gonna start off with adding some oil to our shrimp. And we are gonna add some of our no sodium Cajun seasoning. Trust me, when I tell you, I'm so excited. I'm making a mess with the Cajun seasoning. I want this shrimp to have such a Cajun flavor going on. I'm not even joking. But you know, also, I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add a pinch of salt and ground black pepper because, as I mentioned, my Cajun seasoning does not have any sodium whatsoever. And I want to create that perfect balance of flavors. All right, this looks good so far. All right, salt and pepper coming right up. Gonna give it a toss one more time. Make sure all of the seasoning is coated and stuck onto the shrimp, just like how I like it. That's it. Make sure the shrimp has ample space. Don't want to overcrowd the shrimp. We're gonna be searing our shrimp. We're gonna lock in as much Cajun flavor as possible. Make sure that pan is hot in order to get the perfect sear. Our shrimp should take about 3 minutes per side. And for this particular recipe, we're gonna be cooking the shrimp all the way through. We went ahead and flipped our shrimp over. This time we are gonna take our shrimp and place it into this bowl. And don't touch it, don't eat it. No taste test just yet, because I know it smells absolutely amazing at this point. Not to mention it looks so yummy. All right, as you can see, we have a lot of goodness going on here in the pan. Start off with a small drizzle of oil to the pan, and I'm gonna follow up with a couple tablespoons of butter. Let's get this party started. Don't worry, we're gonna deglaze the bottom of the pan just now, in a couple seconds. We're gonna add our garlic to the pan. And we're gonna cook our garlic down for about 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant and toasted. Gonna slice our lemon and get this ready, because we're gonna need that in a couple minutes. However, back to our pan, we are gonna add our honey for that nice, sweet, oh my goodness, heartwarming taste. All right, add a good amount of honey. We're gonna combine the honey with the garlic and the butter. And did I forget to mention, we want our shrimp to have a smoky flavor as well? Yeah. I know I said sweet, spicy, and buttery, but we want a smoky flavor as well. So this guy right here is definitely gonna, yeah, if you could see it, it'd be better, right? Our smoked paprika is the guy for the job. We're gonna smoke our sauce up by adding a good amount of smoked paprika. Smells so good. Goodness. And for that nice little acidity contrast. Besides, we need to deglaze the bottom of the pan as well. We're gonna add a good squeeze of lemon juice. Don't hold back. Give it a good stir. And at this point in time, turn the stovetop off. Now time for the magical moment. How about we add our beautiful, perfectly seasoned Cajun shrimp back to the pan. How about we do that? Take the shrimp, oh my goodness, I'm starving, I'm sorry. Coat the shrimp with the Cajun honey butter sauce. And turn that stovetop off. Add some garnish, whether it be green onions, scallions, parsley, or even some fresh chopped mint. And when I tell you, this recipe is going to be your go-to recipe when it comes to making shrimp. Yeah, I know. Tell me about it later. This is going to be superb. Okay, once this shrimp hits your palate, you're going to be like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Tammy, why haven't you showed me this recipe sooner? And you know what? As they say, better late than never. But nevertheless, I have a ton more recipes that I can't wait to share with you. And they're going to be just as delicious, if not even more delicious than the previous recipe. All right, but this is our recipe, my loves. Great thing about this delicious Cajun honey butter shrimp is you could serve it up with rice. If you want to do like maybe let's say a low cal or maybe a keto style diet or recipe, serve it up with some cauliflower rice. Or if you want to say, you know what, I want to keep my little chunky back going on, serve it up with some garlic bread and knock yourself out because it's that delicious. It goes great with any and everything. If you want to enjoy it by itself, same thing. You know, this recipe, you just can't go wrong. Great thing about it is it's only what, 15 to 20 minutes to put together and boom, in and out the kitchen just like we like it, right? And that's about it. Let me jump in. I was trying to like buy some time hoping that this shrimp cools off before I jump in and take a taste test with all of this glazy sauce going on. Time to dig in. Ooh, look at this guy right here. Add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Get that lemon seed out of here. And let's go. Or you know what? I want some more of that honey butter sauce. Why not, right? Why not? If we're gonna go all in, we might as well go all in. All right, let's go. Oh my goodness. Stop playing with me. Absolutely A+. A+, 10 out of 10. Super delicious. Not to mention absolutely quick and easy. It doesn't get any better than this, right? Listen, definitely give this recipe a try. Let me know what you're thinking. And that's about it, my loves. I catch you with another recipe.